Welcome. Today we are diving into the Write an Email task, a fast-paced portion of the TOEFL writing section. You have exactly 7 minutes to read a scenario and compose a professional response that addresses every requirement. So let's practice doing so with speed and precision. If you want to master more TOEFL tasks like this one, make sure to follow myTOEFL for daily tips and strategies. Let's keep working together to reach your target score. You will read some information and use the information to write an email. You will have 7 minutes to write the email. You recently attended an alumni career panel at your university to learn about job opportunities in the engineering sector. The prompt establishes that you are a student who just attended an alumni career panel to explore your future. This phrase sets the formal academic context for the email you are about to write. But why? You wanted to ask a specific question to one of the speakers, but the Q&A session ended before you were called on. The core problem is that the Q&A session ended before you could participate. Using this specific detail explains the logical reason for your follow-up email. Write an email to Mr. Davies. In your email, do the following. You are writing to Mr. Davies, which means you must use a formal salutation and maintain a professional tone throughout the message. Thank Mr. Davies for organizing the career panel last night. This requirement asks us to thank Mr. Davies for his efforts. Expressing gratitude early on is a key strategy for a polite, high-scoring email. Explain that the Q&A session ended before you could ask a question. We must explicitly mention that the Q&A session ended to provide the recipient with the necessary background information for our request. Ask if he can forward your question to the guest speaker. The final goal is to ask the recipient to forward your question to the speaker. This shows the student is taking initiative in their career research. Write as much as you can and in complete sentences. Your response. Your response. Our Davies University alumni, Edu. This field identifies the specific administrative email address where your request should be sent. Career panel follow-up. A good subject line should be short and professional, immediately telling the reader what the email is about. Now let's look at a high-scoring example email. Pay attention to how the writer addresses all the bullet points and uses formal vocabulary. We start with Dear to establish a formal tone. Then we add the recipient's title and name, Mr. Davies, to address him directly and politely. First, we use I am writing to state the purpose of the email. Next, we add to thank you for organizing to fulfill the first bullet point. Then, we describe the event as the insightful alumni career panel to show specific appreciation and finish with last night to provide the time frame. We begin with the diverse perspectives as our subject. Then we add shared by the speakers to identify the source of the information. Next, we use were extremely valuable to express the impact, followed by for students like myself to identify the audience, and conclude with who are preparing to enter the job market to explain why the information mattered. We open with unfortunately to signal a problem. Then we state I was unable to ask to identify the issue, followed by my specific question as the object. We add during the event for context and finish with the reason because the Q&A session ended earlier than expected. We start with, I was hoping to ask to express our original intent. Next, we specify the target as the guest speaker from the engineering sector. We then add about their experience to define the topic and conclude with international internships to provide the specific detail. We begin with having more detail as the subject phrase. Next, we add on this topic to link it to the previous sentence. We then use would greatly benefit to show the positive outcome, and finish with my current career research. We start with the polite question, would it be possible to make a request? Then we add for you to forward to specify the action, followed by my question to the speaker as the object, and end with via email to suggest the method. We begin with alternatively to offer a second option. Then we add if you have their professional contact information available as a condition. We continue with I would appreciate it to remain polite, and finish with if you could share it with me. We start with thank you to show gratitude. Then we add for your time to acknowledge his effort and conclude with and for coordinating such a helpful event. With then the summarized day, you and day. We use the formal closing sincerely to end the email professionally. Finally, we place at the very end to properly sign off on the correspondence. To wrap up, always remember that the write an email task rewards clarity and completeness. Ensure you address every bullet point and maintain a polite, professional tone throughout your response. Managing your time effectively, staying within the 7-minute limit, is the final key to a high score.